I'm so excited. Today's the day and I am ready. I have my checkered everything on and I'm ready for this Mackenzie Childs Barn Sale. Heard that it's just going to be an in-store and online. So fingers crossed that they do have the tents. If they don't, I'm going to be extremely disappointed.
I want to get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
We've come to check the day before. I don't see any tents or anything getting ready for tomorrow. Maybe they're not having it. I'm not sure. We will go inside and find out. Nevertheless, it's still beautiful. Setting up over there the parking spots. There's something is happening, so we're gonna go inside and find out. So we drove here to Waterloo and it's close to Mackenzie Childs, about 20 minutes away. Not bad. And yesterday, as when we came in, we decided to go check it out. And of course there was no tents like there was years ago, but I'm going back today. We had booked the hotel, so why not? We will definitely go check it out. This hotel I would recommend. We paid $130 or $140 Canadian. You know, it had the breakfast included, you know, the breakfast champions, but not too bad for $100 something, and it's a little getaway. And really in the morning, what you need: coffee, orange juice, maybe toast or something like that. You're good to go. And this was perfect for what we needed. What I did after midnight is I went on their website. I decided to snapshot what I was looking for, and I am hoping that they have it. If they don't have it, I'm going to be very disappointed. We're going to head down to Mackenzie Childs and see what they have. And so let's go. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. It does something for the algorithm. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so by hitting the subscribe button below, hitting the bell to black so you can be notified when I upload. So for now, take care of each other. Have an amazing week. And thank you so much